Mardi Gras is in full swing in New Orleans, and we're getting in the Dixieland spirit right here on the Suncoast. Singer Sharon Scott is here with some jazz favorites in today's Sounds of the Suncoast. Take it away, Sharon.
I was walking along, minding my business, when out of an orange-colored view, flash, bam, alakazam, I found one look at you. I was humming a tune, drinking in sunshine, when out of an orange-colored sky, flash, bam, alakazam, wonderful, you passed by. Well, one look and I yelled timber, look out for flying glass, because the ceiling fell in and the bottom fell out. I went into a spin and I started to shout, I've been hit, this is it, child, this is it. I was walking along, minding my business, when out of an orange-colored sky, flash, bam, alakazam, wonderful, you passed by. Well, ooh, he's so cute. Flash, bam, alakazam, wonderful, you passed by. Hey, baby, I was walking along, drinking in sunshine, when out of an orange-colored view, flash, bam, alakazam, child, I found one look at you. Are you cooking for me? One look and I yelled timber, watch out for flying glass, cause the ceiling fell in and the bottom fell out. I went into a spin and I started to shout, I've been hit, Linda, I've been hit. I was walking along, minding my business, when out of an orange-colored view, flash, bam, alakazam, out of an orange-colored purple stripe, pretty green of polka dot sky. Well, flash, bam, alakazam, and goodbye.
Yay! Wow, that's awesome! Oh my goodness!
Can you guys
Thank you. Tell us about your concert coming out, Sharon. Yes, tell us about your concert coming up.
It is Sunday, the 18th at 4 o'clock, St. Paul's Lutheran on Bay Vista in Sarasota.
What will we hear?
You'll hear a little jazz, a little blues, a little gospel, some brass music, a little bit of everything.
Oh, wow,
Love
what
it.
could be better? You want to sing us out?
I think I can do that.
Okay, you heard it. Her concert's coming up, First Brass 5, and it's going to be the 18th at St. Paul Lutheran Church. Can we hear some music?
Yeah.
Oh, we never get enough of this.
Well, I was walking along, minding my business, when out of an orange-colored sky, well, flash, bam,